Thomas and friends. The adventure begins. A long time ago on the island of Sodor, there was a little railway known as the Northwestern. The smallest engine working on the main line was Edward. He helped with shunting trucks and coaches in the yard for the larger engines. And the biggest engine on the railway was Gordon. He loved pulling the express, but he didn't much care for some of his other jobs, like pulling goods trains.
A goods train! A goods train! The shame of it! Oh, the shame of it!
Oh, Gordon, it can't be that bad.
Yes, Edward, it is. I am a very important engine, but thankfully I won't have to pull goods trains for long. Not after the new engine gets here.
New engine? What's new engine?
Haven't you heard? The Fat Controller is getting another engine. That last one he got, with the wooden brake blocks, was much too small to be really useful.
But I'm not small.
And talking of wooden brake blocks, James came screeching to a halt, forcing Gordon to stop in his tracks.
Oh, James.
I might not be as big as you, Gordon, but I'm bigger than Edward. And there's nothing wrong with wooden brake blocks either.
Unless they catch fire, of course. Can you move on now, please, James? You're blocking my way.
James was a bit hurt, but he cleared the track so Gordon could pass.
My brakes don't catch fire. They're just as good as yours.